My name's Gabriella Mills. I'm a personal injury attorney here at Potts Law Firm. I decided to become an attorney ultimately to help people, as cliche as that might sound, but that's the best way I knew how. The best part of my job is that I'm constantly learning. Knowledge is key, it's power, it's everything, and the law is always changing, so there's always something out there. I chose to focus on personal injury because people get injured every single day. There's so many different types of injuries in so many different types of places. These are just people that really need our help. I try to approach a case looking at it from a big picture perspective, understanding what the playing field is and what we're looking at, and then just really focusing in where more detail, more attention is needed. The legal process for a sexual assault or abuse claim can begin with a lot of investigation, really looking at what the situation is, what the facts are, and then from there understanding what legal avenues are available, whether that's litigation, settlement discussions, whatever that may come to. In a sexual assault case, there are a lot of different people that can be held responsible just depending on who was participating in certain parts of the case and who had certain knowledge. Again, it's super fact specific, but it can range from individuals to entities to corporations. If you've experienced sexual abuse or assault, you should reach out as soon as you're comfortable to figure out what your legal options are and talk to somebody who knows really what they're looking at in that playing field. Even if the assault happened years ago, you may potentially still have a case depending on where you live, what the facts are, how old you were at the time the assault took place. It really just comes down to the facts and what's going on. Damages and compensation for survivors can range depending on the situation. It can go from anywhere, including past medical expenses, future medical expenses, pain and suffering, things like that, just depending on the case. Potts Law Firm approaches representing these types of victims with a lot of care, a lot of attention, a lot of empathy, just really paying attention to what you have to say and what you want to do. If I sound like the right person for your case, you should call the Potts Law Firm, make Potts Law your first call, and we are here to listen and to help.